Bookmarks allow you to quickly jump to different pages and views, making it easier to navigate large documents. Many documents already have bookmarks generated when they're created in a CAD application. If your files don't have bookmarks, you can easily create them in the Bookmarks panel. Open the Bookmarks panel to get started. To add bookmarks manually, click the Add Bookmark button. This creates a new bookmark at your current zoom level and view. You can edit the bookmark's title, and when you're done, simply press Enter to save it. To generate bookmarks automatically, click the Create Bookmarks icon. You can use page labels as bookmarks if they're already set up, or you can select Page Region to choose specific areas on the document for your bookmarks. When you're satisfied with the bookmark criteria, click OK, then OK again to create the bookmarks. Once bookmarks are created, you can quickly organize the structures by reordering or creating nested child bookmarks. For example, if you want to nest a detailed view of a page under its bookmark, select the bookmark, zoom to the area you want to highlight, then use the arrow on the right of the bookmarks toolbar and click Add Child. Once added, you can edit the name of the nested bookmark. You can also click and drag a bookmark to reorder it, or nest it under another bookmark. Your cursor placement will determine if the bookmark is reordered or nested, indicated by a blue arrow. Right-click on a bookmark to see a list of available options. From the options, you can jump to that bookmark, edit it to reflect the current view on your screen, rename it, or even delete it. You can also set an action for the bookmark, like creating a hyperlink that jumps to your project plan instead of just jumping to a specific area. Properties allows you to change the text properties like color and weight. Clicking on the Bookmarks title menu gives you additional options, like saving the current collapsed state of all bookmarks. The Audit Bookmarks feature checks for broken bookmark links and shows you which ones need fixing. You can also export your bookmarks to a separate PDF from this menu. In the dialog box, you can select how the list will be displayed and stored. This new PDF can be inserted into your document as a new cover sheet or index page.